welcome back, and if you're new, I'm Shama and welcome to Sham's PR Appreciation. Here we appreciate life and everything in it, the good, the bad, all of it. So guys, without moving any further, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel. Also click on the bell so you don't miss any of the content, and also tell a friend to tell a friend to come and join this family so we can all be friends. So guys, this video today I'm going to be looking at Lookiero. So Lookiero, honestly, it took me ages to get the pronunciation right, because when I looked at it I thought it said Lookiero, but it is called Lookiero. So it is a personal shopper or stylist company where you sign up and you get your own personal shopper. They pick up 5 items for you, so you give them your style, the kind of things that you're wanting, and they will pick up 5 items for you whenever you want. So you can either do, if you want, twice a month, once a month, every 3 months, whichever you want. You can select which days that you would want to be receiving the items. So I've done it for monthly, because who wants clothes every week? Like, maybe some people, but no, that'll be a bit too much. I already have anyway. So yeah, so you can select when you would want to receive the items. This company is really good for people who want to come out of their comfort zone, who want to try out new things. So you've got your own personal style that you have, and you find yourself going into town all the time and probably shopping, saying I'm going to come out with different things, but you find yourself just drawn to the same things all the time. Lookiero will be a great place for you to sign up. So for subscription, it's £10, and that £10 will then go towards any of the items that you want to purchase. So it's only for, like, the £10 is used for the time the personal shopper is going to be, you know, scrolling around looking for your items, and it will also go towards your final purchase. So you get 5 items in the box. It can just vary from everything. It's clothes, so it could be hats, bags, jeans, tops, blazers, everything. And if you buy all 5 items, you get 25% off your whole order. And if you buy single individual items, like if you find 3 of those items, you just pay however much that those 3 items cost, plus £10 will be removed because you've already paid that. Yeah, so it is really good. So I've got my box, like, I'm so excited. So you get a little personal note from your personal shopper introducing themselves to you, and then they'll be telling you like what kind of things they have selected for you, and yeah. And then here's like your receipt and everything, and like here it's showing that my total bill was £133. That's with the discount, but without the 25, like if I'm not getting all the items, it will be 178. So let's see. Oh guys, yeah, let me just show you how nicely packaged it is. It looks so nice, nicely wrapped. Like, just look at this. It is so cute, honestly. Oh, this is the Nude top by Vero Moda. Yeah, Vero Moda. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. I am in love. Let's see, what size did she pick? Because honestly guys, I don't know what size I am at the moment. So I've just said literally just anything like from size 12 or just like in the large because your girl has been enjoying food. You know, we said it was only for Christmas, but is it still Christmas? We're in 2020. Still enjoying food. Anywho. And this is the Cami top. I think this is really cute. You can wear it like with a lot of stuff. It's simple, it's stylish. I like the detailing here of the lace. It's really cute. Like, you know, guys, don't watch the arms. Yeah, it's really cute. And like, you can also tuck it in a little bit, so if you want. So this shirt dress in the khaki color is £42, and it's a size 10. I'm not sure about this one, but I do hope it fits. It looks like it might do, but I don't know. I really do hope that it will do. Oh my god. 100% I would not have gone for something like this if I was buying it myself. So I'm so happy. Oh my god, honestly, you know, you can wear it down if you want. You know, other people would want, you know, a couple of buttons down or something if you want, or you can, you know, wear it up like full on. You know, I normally kind of like, you know, the smart type, and then like you wear with maybe like a cardigan on top or something, some boots. And the next item are these jeans. Ooh, they're stretchy. Wow, they're like a black, but it's like a grayish off. They're definitely not black if you can see, like compared to my black jeans. I think I want, yeah, I like these. So these are from Pieces, and the size is large as well. I think like they will definitely fit with where I am at the moment. But yeah, next item, I don't even know, you might even do it. Wow, I don't know if this blouse is going to fit. It looks a bit smallish. What size is it? It's a 12 as well, and it is £37.40, and the brand is Hippie. This blouse, honestly guys, I was so worried about this blouse because my arms are slightly large, so I thought maybe it was going to be tight, but it's actually really comfortable. Like, it's not fitted, like I can move, I can do stuff, so it is really cute. It's really nice. Yeah, it is really nice. Just slightly openy here, but you can always like wear like a little vest underneath, and you know, or you can like I could even like put like a safety pin there. Why am I saying you when it's me? I don't know. Anyway, I could put a safety pin there or something, and I'm good to go. And the last item, look at this cardigan. This is so cute. Oh my god, the colour. It is so nice. Oh wow. This is really nice, and it feels so soft as well. This is so cute. This is, you could even like wear it with something else. You can wear it like this, obviously open, not really with what I'm wearing right now, but like you can wear it with the top underneath, a shirt, or even like a little t-shirt, and then you could even close this. Just visualize a different top here, and then you could even like tuck it in and all that jazz. Wear it with some boots, with some heels, you know, cute. Yeah, and oh, it's so soft. Okay guys, so some final thoughts about everything that we've received. I'm so happy with everything that I've got. Like, if I'm just being picky, it will be just like this blouse, just this space that's just annoying. But like I said, I can always wear with a little tank top at the bottom, or I could just put safety pins. So it's not really a biggie, but I'm just so happy with everything, considering I didn't even send any pictures of myself and like the kind of style that I do have. But she's done an amazing job, and that's another thing guys, you can also send pictures and stuff and they can have a look and stuff. But I'm just so happy with everything. However, I think what I would do, I don't think I would want to do it monthly. I think I'm going to change, because these items, they are quite, like when you put the, you know, the cost all together, like for these 5 items it's like £174, which is really good because they're really good quality as well. But just imagine every month that, you know, kind of accumulates. What I would do, I think I'll probably do like every 2 months. Is that right? So the next time I'll do it will be in March, so I can change it that way, so that I receive something like every 2 months. I think that will really work out, or every other month. I think that makes sense. Guys, I'm confusing myself here. I can tell that math is not my thing, but yeah, every other month. I'll skip a month and then get some stuff, because imagine just getting, you know, these are really good high quality stuff, so which are really good. But yeah, like I said, you can also do whatever you want, monthly, weekly. It's all up to you. Your wallet speaks. But yeah, mine is saying, girl, you need to change that subscription to every other month. I really highly recommend Lookiero because it is amazing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm about to put my clothes in the wardrobe. Boom boom. Hey.